This is the sewing video of a cowl dress pattern I have on my channel. If you haven't seen that, check that out on my channel. It will make you understand. It will be easier for you to understand what I'm doing here. So I folded my front into two and I'm pinning down so my pattern doesn't move around. And please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below which other tutorial you want to see from me and I will deliver. And also on my pattern, I already added seam allowance. The only place I will add seam allowance on this sewing is at the top, and that would help me turn my facing. Now cut, and please guys, subscribe if you have not. I really do appreciate. And also there's something I explained on the facing, so it's very important for you guys to check out the pattern drafting of this video, of this dress. I'm folding my fabric again for my facing. Cut. And don't forget to notch your center front so it will be easy for you when joining. Now I'm going to be slashing and spreading my hip. For you to understand where this is coming from, check out my pattern drafting on my basic skirt. I explained the reason for this slash and spread at the hip. Now I'm folding where I want my back to start from. I'll go ahead to place this on my dress on fold, and do not forget to add your zipper allowance. For me, I'm using 1/2 inch, so make sure you use whatever is suitable or comfortable for you to use as your zipper allowance. If you read this slash and spread is something that is very important in a lot of dresses, most especially fitted dresses that people do not know about. So check out my basic skirt pattern. It will help you a lot. I'm serious. I'm also creating my back dart. What this does is to reduce bulking at the zip, so my back is going to balance. This is also on my basic skirt pattern. So you guys see the reason why you need to watch that basic skirt pattern. Like, it's very important. I'm serious. Again, I'm serious. Anyways, after this, I'm going to go ahead and cut out my back facing, and the length of my back facing is about 4 to 5 inches. It should not be more than that. So to sew, I just opened up my front pattern. I also made straps measuring about 15 inches length and 2 inches width. From your side seam, mark 1/2 inch and place your straps. Just do exactly what I'm doing. Pin it down so it doesn't move around. So pins are very important in every single thing you're doing when it comes to sewing. Now I'm placing my front facing, center front to center front, side to side. Pin it down also so it doesn't move. Pins are very important, guys, very important. Now I'm going to go ahead to sew. I'm going to sew the 2 sides close and the up part, just what I just showed you guys. So what I just showed you guys. So after sewing, I'll go ahead to notch. Notching is also very important because it will help my seams balance and relax a whole lot better. So after notching and turning it out, this is what I have. Go ahead to give your dress a good press. I'll do that when I'm done with all the project. Now I'm going to be placing my back pattern right side to right side. Now from the center back, I marked 5 inches towards the side seam. So from the center back, you mark 5 inches towards the side seam. Try and follow exactly what I'm doing. It will be easier for you. Arrange your straps and place it on your 5 inches that you marked and pin it down. Now for the back facing, you don't need to close the sides, just the top part. Just close the top part, no need to close the sides. So and so. So I just finished doing that, and I went ahead to I closed my side seams and I also pressed them open. I also made straps measuring from my waist down to my hem. That's the length, and the width I used 2 inches. I'm just using this strap to create a facing for my drawstring. So sew the middle part of your strap directly on your seam allowance and fold the edges by 1/2 inch inwards. So I went ahead to do that, and I also attached my zipper. I really didn't want this video to be too long. I also created straps measuring from my waist down to my hem plus I think 10 inches or so. Use your safety pin. Pass your straps using a safety pin through the channel we made earlier. This might take a little bit of time. It's a bit time consuming, but the end result is amazing, guys. Trust me on that one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below which other tutorial you want to see from me, and I will definitely deliver to you guys. I promise. And we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. See you next week. Bye.